Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can send money from USA to Pakistan using Remitly, and the process is actually very simple. First of all, you want to head over to Remitly and it's going to look something like this. Now wherever it says sending to whatever country is it, you want to select on that flag icon and you simply want to search for Pakistan over here, just like so, and wait for it to load up until over here this logo it says Pakistan. As you can see, it has loaded up and it says Pakistan over here. Now what you're going to do is click on send money one more time and wait for the main page to load up where we are going to actually send the money. As you can see now, this is the page where it says you have zero fees transfers of 30,000 PKR or more. So let's say you are rich and you're sending 30,000 Pakistan rupees, and this is what it's going to show you in USD. Vice versa, you can select in USD as well and it's going to show you the Pakistan amount that they receive. Now there are two ways: the delivery speed. First of all is the fastest transfer, which can be done if you pay with your debit or credit card. Second of all is the economy, which is in a better pricing, but you have to pay with your bank account. So select whichever method you want that money to be received. If they want to receive it with this or economy, the delivery speed. After that, it's gonna load up and it says delivery method. This is the other person who is in Pakistan, whoever is receiving the money. How do you want them to receive the money? Is it a bank deposit? If so, you see all of these banks are available. Let's say it's in Habib Bank. So you select the bank, you put in all of their details and you get the point. You have to just put in your details, continue, and this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.